We're back with another video. Teach you how to make this. Cats with screws. So let's get started. So first, you have to have a string. To go like this, shoot on this and this string. So you have this point. So you have your pointing finger. Shoot your pin. And you go up and take this. Then you do the same thing with your other hand. So it should be like this. This is called opening A. Drop your thumbs. You're gonna end up with this. Take the last one, and go over the first one and under these two. So it'll go like this. Now, drop your pinkies. It may look like this. It may look like something else. So take the bottom, you go over one and under the other. So then, wait a minute. So then it should look like this. Wait a minute, no. I have to get on the test. Wait a minute, guys. So, restep. So, it should go over and under. So, yes, it should. So then, to final touch, drop your thumbs. And then it should look like this. Meow! Bye! Like and subscribe and share this video, please, so more people know how to make my cat. No, not my bunny ears. I was saying cat ears. Bye! Remember, like and subscribe and share. Bye. One touch. Oh no, you can see me.